Built in 1919, the 1,077-acre garden is the living legacy of Pierre S. Pont, and is the most renowned attraction in the Wilmington area. With 20 outdoor garden areas, 4 acres of indoor conservatory gardens and 11,000 different types of plants, Longwood is a spectacular place to visit. You can attend classes and workshops, flower shows, gardening demonstrations, garden walks, and other special events. The 30-minute Illuminated Fountain Performance set to music and the annual Longwood Christmas are not to be missed. Attend a theatrical performance at the open-air theater or a concert year-round. Seasonal events include the Orchid Extravaganza, winter, spring blooms, spring, Festival of Fountains, summer, and Chrysanthemum Festival, fall. Longwood Gardens is a popular attraction and tickets sell out during busy seasons, so buy your tickets in advance.